my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I found this little recipe and I'm giving it my twist. These are fancy fries. Let's do it. I'd like to say hello to my subscribers right here. To those of you who are always coming back, God bless you. You are my MVP. And to my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. My viewers, you're watching, you're out there, but haven't made up your minds as yet. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. Family, I'm still doing it. I am still doing it. I'm still doing it. I'm still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Please share it out. Leave a comment. Don't forget to check out the description box now. Everything will be listed there for you. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.